Hello guys, we're gonna do the headless trick. Let me just change my skin. I don't know what else to wear really, but it's not my actual avatar. So your face, you don't need a face. You need heads. You need this head. You could choose any hair you want. So this is the headless trick. Now go to accessories. Get this brain. And there you go. Headless. So let me show you my actual one. This is my actual headless trick. So you could watch, you could rewatch. You can watch it as long as you want. And I'll show you how to do super happy face trick. So you have to go. Okay, don't mind that avatar. This is the super happy face trick. You will need anime surprise. Okay, let me just change my skin. You'll need anime surprise. And you also need cheeks if you have. No. You'll need cheeks. You'll go to accessories, face. You'll want to use this, but not this since I'm not on the computer. So you'll only want to use this. Then you go to head again. You get this. And then you need to change your skin to brown.
يا صباح ويا صباح صباح البيض الميلة.
And now you have to change your hair. That. And there you go. So that's how to do tricks. Well, some of them. There you go. It looks kind of real, doesn't it?
Tissue?
Don't mind the noise. Just don't mind it. Okay, so guys, don't mind the drumming. Okay, so I'm just gonna change back to my normal avatar. Now we're done.